Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, how are you doing today? Oh my goodness, well I tell you what, I finally got my Curateur. That's right, Curateur finally made it. This is really delayed, and because of that, Rachel had put in an extra gift for us for being so late. They were having shipping issues and waiting on things to come in port in order to be able to ship this out to us. So I can't wait to see what all's in here. Of course, I did customize a couple of things, so I kind of know what's in here, although I kind of forgot because it's been a while. This is the fall box, and it has just arrived, and it is $99 a quarter, and it is a fashion box. It's going to have a variety of 5 items, maybe with a bonus that I just talked about, and it'll be lifestyle, maybe something to wear, jewelry perhaps, maybe some kind of cosmetic. It'll just be a variety of very nice items that's curated in the high fashion quality of Rachel Zoe. Now, with that said, let's get this box open and find out what we have. As we open it up, we have the Curateur on top, the Premier Shopping membership, and I'd say that's about what it is, because this is very, I'd say, premier and top quality products from designers maybe around the world, so maybe not just US. And of course Rachel Zoe is the curator. This is her little magazine, and well, it's not a magazine, and this is her card, and then we do have like a little scan there for more details if we need to go and do that, and we'll see here in just a minute. But it looks like she's done a what's inside on the back, so I have a product card. Thank you, Rachel. I really love that. She's so pretty, isn't she? I just love that she did that, because it's so much easier to work with when we have a physical thing right in front of us when we are trying to show these boxes and let y'all know in detail what we have. So I'm going to tear away the paper, which I'll show you there. She's got her Curateur logo there, and we'll just break that away, and then we have like a sneaky peek right there, and we'll see what we have. Now the first item on top is an Oda, A-O-T-A, and this is a Alina bucket bag, and I believe that's what's in this package right here. And this had, I want to say, around $100 value. Now, she doesn't have values on here, so I don't know what my values are. I'm going to have to go back and I'll have to let you know what the values are. I probably have them written down somewhere, but I just don't know where that is off the top of my head. And like I said, it's been, a long time ago since I curated this. I want to say in the summer for the fall. But this is a little tote bag, and let's get it all unwrapped. And it is a little smaller than what I thought it was going to be, but it's a nice little tote, nice little size. It's lined on the inside. We have like a bucket handle, and then we also have straps if we want to have it as a crossbody. So I would say this is a crossbody purse, and there's the brand. And we've got plenty of room to get our wallet and some other little essentials in there, and it's a nice little alligator print, maybe snake and alligator combination. Let's see what she has to say about it. This is everything I choose for the curation is an update of a classic piece, and this modern mock croc, so it's crocodile bucket bag, is perfect example of that, and I believe you can never have too many little black bags, and she's probably right about that. And this is a nice little size, so I'm just used to carrying a bigger purse. So that is our little bucket purse, and I like that, and that was one of the things I liked in the curation. And again, we do have this to use as a crossbody, which would be perfect. I like using that. Our next item that I'm seeing in here, I'm just going to pull it out, is Cora, and this is Cora Organics. This is a turmeric brightening and exfoliating mask, 2-in-1. This season, our Curateur-in-Chief, Rachel Zoe's goal was to refresh your style with a new take on fall favorites. Here's what she loves about each piece and why it was selected with you in mind. So that's the overall review of our fall curation, and I forgot to mention that. And then this Core Organics is all of Core products are incredible, but this mask is a clear favorite of mine and I must have for fall. Whenever I need that extra glow to my skin, it is instant magic. So that sounds great. And you know, turmeric is a great product to have and to use not only on your skin in things like masks, but also internally. So if you cook with it and things like that, that's very good for you, very healthy. Now our next item that I'm pulling out of here is in this little bag. And I believe this is a bracelet. And again, I don't know the exact value, but I'll say maybe around $80, and we'll find out if I'm right when I put it up in the screen. But this is a wraparound bracelet, and I do remember it being a wraparound. The problem is I don't know if I can wrap it around. Let's see if I can do it. Oh, it looks like it's got like a clasp. Okay, I got it. Isn't that pretty? So it's a little wraparound bracelet. And it'll look really nice. It kind of goes with my little chain bracelet necklace that I got from her in my first Curateur box. I got this necklace up here, which I love and I wear it all the time. Now let's find out about this bracelet. This is a Corinne Stewart. It's a toggle wrap bracelet. Like all Lauren Stewart pieces, this bracelet offers you the right amount of edge and statement, yet looks so effortless, and I'd say that's probably true. You could have also chosen a ring, which was pretty, and it was up here, but I just don't wear a lot of extra rings, so that really wasn't a choice for me to make. And the next item I'm pulling out of here is a Laura Geller, and this is an eye palette, and Laura Geller palettes are usually around $45 value, so I'm going to assume that's how much this is. And it's nice and pink. It looks like there's two different shade colors that we could have gotten because they're showing two on here. And this is the one I picked. So I'll let you have a look at that. Very beautiful. Yeah, I would have picked that. I like the darker colors. I like to use a dark color in the corner of my eyes. And of course I like all the pinks and everything. Looks like I have a little bit of damage on one of the colors right there that might have got a little bit messed up in shipping, or I might have messed it up just now, just getting it out. It's hard to say. Sometimes when we're unpacking this, our fingers might go someplace we don't want it to go. I guess I should have left the cover on there. It probably would have not got damaged, but there's nothing wrong with it. I was trying to cover up the mirror. But that is the palette, and like I said, I think I dipped into that, so the damage was me. So if this ends up in a giveaway, you can just know that I'm the one that did that. But I might use this palette. I like all those pinks. Pink, I like pinks. Alright guys, that's a very nice choice. And then we have another gift here. It's a Victor and Rolf, and this is the new Victor and Rolf. And it's a deluxe mini sample, and it is a new fragrance. It's a lovely warm floral scent, which makes it perfect for the fall season and all year round. Oh, this is lovely. I looked into purchasing this, and this is quite expensive if you're going to buy it, you know, the regular full bottle. Over $100, I'm pretty sure. So this is very nice. And I love using that. I hope I got that on good. But anyway, nice little pretty packaging. Now, the last thing that I have here is called the Sharala. I'm not sure if I know how to say that. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that's really soft. Very pretty. Oh, this is like a poncho. So this is a Sharala, there it is right there. I'll let y'all look at that name because I can't say it. It says it's a poncho. Why can't they just call it a poncho? Anyways, it's a poncho. It's such an easy piece for the fall, and I love the way you can just wear this longer in the front or to the sides for a more versatile look. The neutral color makes it an easy style with virtually anything from your favorite jeans to a maxi dress. So I'd say that's probably true, and I like the color. I like that it's neutral. And this is just so pretty, and it's got the fringe on the ends, and it's just very beautiful. And of course, I don't know the value unless it's on here. Sometimes they'll have the prices on here, but not today. But that is the brand. The one I can't say, Shirella Chicago is the brand. And again, it doesn't have the price on here. So that is my poncho, and I love it. I love it. So that'll go great with the black purse, go good with a pair of jeans or black jeans, or like she said, a maxi dress. And then as our nice little, I guess, gift that she gave us, looks like we have an ombre scarf. So it goes dark to white. So this would go perfect with an outfit that if you're wearing black and white. So let's take a look at this. So yeah, this is perfect. Yeah, I love this. Very nice. That's a very nice gift. So what do you think? We got this nice scarf as a gift. And I was going to look to see the brand. It is a Cushing brand, and it says it's made in China. So just to kind of give you some information on that, and it does have a little bit of fine fringe on the ends so that you can see that there. Very nice. Got our poncho, which is just very lovely. I love the feel of it. It's very soft. It's also going to be very warm on those windy days in the fall and in the winter time. We got our lovely little bracelet, which I really like. That's really nice. We got our Cora Turmeric Brightening Exfoliating Mask, and I didn't even take that out of the package, but it's in a nice shiny tube. It's a big tube too. This is a 100 ml, so it's a good size mask that we have here by Cora. We got our Laura Geller palette, and we got our Rolf perfume, which I'm going to put some on. Oh, that smells so good. I really like it. Like I said, I had a sample of this and I used it all up right away. So, oh, I hear a little thunder out there. We're supposed to get a little cold front coming in today. But that is my Curateur. Let me know what your favorite is. My favorite, oh, and we had our purse. And what's my favorite? Oh, I just hate it when I love everything. It's hard to pick a favorite. I really love that perfume. But I was really looking forward to getting this tote. And I think I really, really do like the poncho. So those are my favorites. What are your favorites? Let me know in the comments. Now guys, I will not be getting the winter Curateur. I had a little, email sent to me to go ahead and start picking out my customizations, but it just didn't speak to me this time around, and I decided I'm not going to get it for the next quarter. So I won't have one for winter. My next one will probably be the spring, just so that you know. And I haven't give up on Curateur. Like I said, it was just one of those things where it just wasn't for me. And I just thought, I'm going to pass on this. There may be something else I can bring to you guys in the meantime. So that's what I have as for today with Curateur for the fall 2022. And be sure and check my descriptions for anything that's going on. I have lots of giveaways going on. I have my 900 that'll end on the 15th of November. I have an advent calendar series, and I have some Mass Monday I Won, So Can You, and then I'll probably have some collabs out there that if I don't have a collab going on right now, there'll be one coming up soon. So just a busy, busy time. I really appreciate all of you coming back and seeing what I have. And please do enter into these giveaways. The biggest giveaways that are coming up with the Advent Calendar series will close on November 30th. Just so that you know, you've got plenty of time to watch all those videos. There are 11 out at this time, which means there's 12 giveaways because there's a curated calendar in that one. But guys, I'm going to have to go because the thunder's getting a little louder and my dogs are going to start barking. So as for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.